Money, what do you do for money? Whoa, honey, what do you do for money? How do you get your kicks? Ball joint went out. Second one in the last few months. We replaced the other one. We were stranded 2 nights and 3 days on that one. This one we're getting onto it a little quicker thanks to this big Ryobi impact wrench here, man. Impact tool. I need one of those. Got one borrowed. Anyways, I have got to get the new ball joint pressed on. Fortunately, I had the ball joint. The new ball joint's been sitting in the vehicle waiting for another breakdown so we can replace it. So the old one, same as on the other side, sheared off completely. There's this end of it here, and the end that goes up in here, that's where is it? It's kicking around here somewhere. Here it is. So there's the busted ball joint, and here's the new one. And we got this great press kit here. I don't mean a press kit like, you know, news media releases and advertising rates and all that. I mean a ball joint press kit. You know what I mean? I tell you, it was a bitch getting that axle loosened up from in there. Had a lot of heavy-duty pounding and penetrating oil. Lots of pounding with pieces of wood and a sledgehammer, and finally got it off the axle. The axle nut this time, which last time gave me a hell of a time getting off the axle, was a breeze thanks to this Ryobi 1 horsepower impact tool. Man, I gotta get one of those things. Alright, folks, I got to get to pressing these joints back in and getting everything installed. I never did take off the control arms here, tire rods and all. I worked on it in position here, so I didn't take the whole knuckle off, as some people do. I got the nuts off here. I loosened them up and cleaned that up, but those will go back on. But I did have to attach, you know, the entire brake caliper. There's the rotor there, and the brake caliper's over there. And I detached the brake fluid line, but it still leaked out. It's been leaking, so I need to get some brake fluid to replace what I've lost. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get these this new ball joint pressed in. Honey, what do you do for money? Honey, how do you get your kicks? Wiggly, wiggly, pure honey, actually. It's actually local honey. I just used this jar. I had a big glass jar of local honey from our beautiful Escambia wildlands, folks. And that's the honey I'm sipping. Could not do this without the honey, folks. Honey, what do you do for money? Honey, what do you do for money? How do you get your kicks?